Anything for the drift day. Look at this street car. We got it loaded up with tires. Not nearly as good as the Mustang on tire capacity. This cage is killing me. But we're getting it. We're getting it done. There we go. Got my passenger all buckled in, nice and tight. Ugh. Ain't going nowhere. Cold one. Alright guys. Yeah, we are going to my first legit drift event. We're going to Black Friday Drift, and we're taking the S14. Got this thing loaded to the brim. And I'm soloing this one. I don't have any backup or support cars. I'm cruising 3 hours out to Orlando in the race car. I've never been to a public event, so I'm a little nervous. I'm confident in the car, nervous for myself because I'm gonna have to prove my driving today. I don't have a class rating because I've never been to a public event, so I'm going to have to drive good today in order to get a good class rating. Now, the way the class ratings work at OSW is it goes A, B, C, D. A is the best driving, you get to do tandems and trains. B, you get to do some tandems. C, you're intermediate. And D, you don't know what you're doing. I'm hoping to fall in A or B today. We're commencing the cruise to Orlando right now. All the way out to the road. Boys, we made it. We got our tech card. I sat in line for almost 2 whole hours having to pee. That was a rough wait. Oh, we got a lot of drift cars here. This thing is squatting from all the weight I got in it. Bruh, are you serious? There's a lizard in the car. He rode all the way from St. Pete. Got the quick release seat out. This dude back here chilling for real. All right, boys. We have a little bit of time before the event starts. I just finished unloading everything, and we gotta go past tech. There are so many cars here. A lot of cool cars. The Rocket Buddy S13. But we made tech. He gave me B class because I told him I've drifted before. And we got our banner. That's pretty cool. I thought he was gonna put me in like C or D. It's so cold out. I need to warm the car up because it sat for 2 hours. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, oil pressure is super high at idle. We need to let this thing warm up. Well, I'm up, but not really. I was just driving to grid and my clutch pedal assembly snapped in half. So I'm quickly taking it out. I'm taking my whole clutch assembly apart, and we're gonna try and find a welder and get this thing re-welded so I can still drive tonight, because as of now, I'm stuck in the pits. I had to call my Comp 5. Clutch pedal assembly is out. Here's our 2 welds that broke. We got this thing welded back up. I'm gonna throw it back in the car. Where are the welds? I lost them. Oh, yep, right here. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully our clutch will work again. That sucked. Oh, I think it's back in. Please. Please work. I just want clutch feel. Alright. Oh, it works. My clutch works. Thank you. I'm sitting on a socket. Clutch is working. Let's go. Oh, this is sketchy. The diff since the car has been sitting for like 4 hours now. Warm up the trans and the diff so nothing breaks. Boys, we're going out. I can't see anything with this helmet. Around the pits to get to the back of the line. The clutch pedal actually feels better now too. It must have been half broken before because it feels quite a bit stiffer now. And Drift Rod, that's the guy that welded it. Really cool guy. This is right where I broke down. I pushed it all the way back from here. This is how I broke it last time, just driving around like this. My breath stinks. Helmets really let you know when your breath stinks, and mine does. my tray thing flew off at me. That wasn't a very good laugh. That thing scared me. What the hell? This thing attacked me. We got some nasty wheel hop too. Oh my goodness. Get out of here. This thing felt good though. I'm telling you, it felt gripped up. It felt powerful too. This cold weather's got it gripped up. And like torqued up. This R32 next to me is really cool. I got too greedy. I tried to throw in too much angle on the hairpin. Alright, here we go again. Good left this time. I've passed the nervousness of going, so good left. Touching my feet. Why is there something in between my feet now? That was a smoky run. Not bad, not bad. Line wasn't perfect, but that was my best run of the night so far. I am tired. I woke up at 7 a.m. I woke up at 7 a.m. to drive this event and I didn't get to drive until 8:30. Golly. But I'm glad we fixed the clutch because that would have broken on the drive back and that would have been awful. PSI in the rear, I think. It's causing problems. It's causing me to feel slippery in the rear.
Either that or my tires are almost dead, but it feels kind of loose.
Tires still have a good amount of life in them. Oh, that's why we're sliding all around. We're at 32 psi. Usually at 22. I'm so tired. I got 4 hours of sleep last night and I haven't eaten today. Let's end it while I still have tires to get home. Oh, I'm so tired, guys. That clutch just stressed me out and the drive today. Whew. I'm gonna end this video here. Tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday. We have 2 more drift events. I'm not sure if I'm doing Sunday, but I'm definitely doing Saturday tomorrow. So stick around for that video. I'm gonna make it a separate video so I don't have like a super hour-long video that you guys only watch halfway through. So I really appreciate you guys watching, digging through the struggles with me, the struggles of owning an S14, the struggles of me being too tired to think of something. But yeah, I'm going home, I'm getting my sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.